G'day everyone, it's Chriso. I'm just shooting up this wall now. That's a bit of a feature wall that I've just done. Now, a couple of videos ago, I was talking to you about this aluminium that's between the tiles. It's in a grout line. It's the water stop for the shower, and it's 2 or 3 mil lower than the tile, so that will just look like, I hope you can see, that will just look like a grout line. The same here, follow my finger, that is a grout line, but there's actually aluminium under the surface, so it acts as a water stop. No water will ever come out onto the main floor. If it ever did, it's waterproofed anyway. So it's I didn't have to worry about lining up my lines with this feature, because it's a bigger tile. It's a higher tile, so no matter what you do, that line will always grow. If I matched it up at the bottom, it would grow, it wouldn't stack up exactly the same. So you don't worry about it, you just start at a full tile and go. And whatever the cut is up the top, that's it, it's all good. So yeah, easy peasy. So we'll bang out a few, we'll go up this wall. I do always glue my tile. I don't put glue on the wall. If you've ever seen videos that tiles just peel off the wall, well, that is the reason for that, is the whole wall has been spread and it's skinned, and then they put the tiles on and the glue has skinned and it's not sticking to the tile. It's better if you do back butter, yes. In Queensland, it's the glue's drying too fast, so you can't. I always like to spread my tile. Then when I slap it on the wall like that, I know it's fresh. All right, people, we'll see you soon.